Number 5. The Tecno Megamini G1 liquid-cooled gaming mini PC is a compact powerhouse that brings desktop-class performance into a space-saving form factor, redefining what's possible in small-scale computing. Encased in a futuristic cube-like chassis, the Megamini G1 blends aggressive design with a premium aluminum build, exuding a gamer-centric aesthetic that's both sleek and commanding. At its core, this mini PC is equipped with high-end hardware configurations that can include the latest Intel Core or AMD Ryzen processors paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, ensuring smooth gameplay at ultra settings, high frame rates, and stunning ray-traced visuals. What sets the G1 apart is its advanced liquid cooling system, engineered to keep temperatures low even during marathon gaming sessions, allowing the processor and GPU to maintain peak performance without thermal throttling. Despite its compact size, the Megamini G1 doesn't compromise on connectivity, offering multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, high-speed Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6 for seamless online gaming and streaming. The internal layout is brilliantly optimized, with tool-less access and modular design making future upgrades surprisingly easy. RGB lighting breathes life into the system, offering customizable effects that sync with gameplay. Number 4. The Asus ROG NUC 970 Full System Mini Gaming PC is a next-level fusion of elite gaming performance and ultra-compact engineering, purpose-built for gamers who demand maximum power in minimal space. Designed with the signature Republic of gamers' flair, this mini PC features a striking, angular chassis with sharp lines and customizable RGB lighting that radiates gaming attitude from every corner. Under the hood, the ROG NUC 970 houses cutting-edge components, including up to Intel's latest Core Ultra processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 discrete graphics, delivering desktop-grade performance for A titles, VR experiences, and content creation workflows. The thermal architecture is expertly crafted, with a hybrid cooling system that combines precision airflow with vapor chamber cooling, ensuring the hardware remains ice-cold under the pressure of high frame rate gaming and intense multitasking. Despite its small footprint, the NUC 970 offers a surprisingly robust array. Number 3. The Ayaneo Retro Mini AM01 is a charming yet powerful fusion of nostalgic design and modern gaming performance, meticulously crafted for gamers who appreciate both style and substance. Housed in a compact, retro-style enclosure reminiscent of classic handheld consoles, the AM01 offers a delightful throwback aesthetic without compromising on cutting-edge hardware. At its heart, this mini PC is powered by a high-efficiency AMD Ryzen processor integrated with Radeon graphics, delivering smooth gameplay for indie titles, retro emulators, and even some modern AA games at modest settings. Its thermal design is thoughtfully engineered with quiet, whisper-quiet fans and strategically placed vents that keep temperatures in check during extended gaming sessions, maintaining a snug yet cool environment. Despite its diminutive size, the Retro Mini AM01 boasts a surprising variety of connectivity options, from multiple USB ports and HDMI output to reliable Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for seamless peripheral support. Storage flexibility is another highlight, featuring both NVMe SSD support and expandable memory, allowing users to load their favorite game libraries with ease. The unit also includes customizable RGB lighting subtly integrated around the shell, adding personality without overwhelming the retro vibe. Compact, portable, and stylish, the Ayaneo Retro Mini AM01 is a delightful hybrid for gamers seeking a compact powerhouse with a nostalgic twist, making it a standout choice for both casual play and immersive handheld-inspired setups. Number 2. The Asus ROG Ally, the 10th gaming handheld, is a powerhouse of portable performance, delivering uncompromising gaming in the palm of your hand. With its sleek, ergonomic design and grippy textured surface, the Ally X feels as comfortable to hold during marathon sessions as it does on the go. At its core lies an advanced AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor and Radeon GPU, packing desktop-level performance that can handle the latest AAA titles in high detail and silky smooth frame rates. What really elevates the experience is the 7-inch, 120Hz Full HD touch display. Number 1. The Minisforum AtomMan G7T Gaming Mini PC is a compact dynamo designed to deliver high-end gaming performance without occupying a full desktop's footprint, melding cutting-edge hardware and elegant portability. Its chassis features a sleek, brushed metal finish and a Venturi-inspired cooling vent system that not only elevates heat dissipation, but adds a modern, aggressive flair to its design. At the heart of this mini marvel lies a powerful Intel Core i7, or optionally, Core i9, processor paired with NVIDIA GeForce RT XT series graphics, enabling smooth gameplay at high resolutions, real-time ray tracing, and buttery frame rates even.